Johann Hollaender, born Johann Hollaender, Hebrew, born July 18, 1935, is a Romanian-born Austrian opera baritone and administrator. Hollaender was born in Timișoara, Romania. His family is of Jewish ancestry, and growing up, he spoke 3 languages. His father owned a factory in Timișoara, which was expropriated in 1948. Hollaender studied mechanical engineering at the Polytechnic University of Timișoara. He worked as a tennis coach and a director's assistant until he and his family emigrated to Austria, where his mother was residing. He intended to continue his engineering studies, but became interested in singing. After completing his music studies, he was an operatic baritone and concert singer with the Klagenfurt Stad Theatre. In 1966, he began to work at the Starka theatrical agency, which he eventually took over and whose prestige he increased. In 1988, Eberhard Wechter named Hollaender as Secretary General of the Vienna State Opera, effective as of 1991. Eventually, Hollaender dissociated himself from the Starka business. After Wechter's death in February 1992, Hollaender became director of the Vienna State Opera on April 1, 1992. He also led the Vienna Volksoper for 4 years simultaneously. Hollander's contract was extended 3 times and concluded on August 31, 2010. He is the longest-serving general director in the history of the Vienna State Opera. Johann Hollaender is advisor of the Metropolitan Opera New York and the Spring Festival Tokyo and artistic director of the Georgescu Festival Bucharest. He is a lecturer at the University of Vienna and at the Danube University Krems. Further, he is a jury member for several international singing competitions. He also has his own cultural magazine on the Austrian TV channel Service TV. Hollaender and his wife have 2 sons and a daughter. Honorary doctorates from the University of Bucharest, West University of Timișoara, the Music Academy of Sofia and Gheorghe Dima Music Academy, Cluj-Napoca. Decoration of Honor in Silver for Services to the Republic of Austria, 1980. Austrian Cross of Honor for Science and Art, 1985. Decoration of Honor in Gold for Services to the Republic of Austria. Golden Medal of Honor for Services to the City of Vienna. Austrian Cross of Honor for Science and Art, First Class, 1995. Officer of the Order of Arts and Letters, France, 1999. Order of the Star of Romania on Ribbon, 2001. Jacob Prantauer Prize for Art and Science of St. Polten, 2001. Grand Gold Decoration for Services to the Republic of Austria, 2002. Commander of the Order of Merit of the Italian Republic, 2004. Honorary Medal of the Austrian Capital Vienna in Gold, 2010. Clemens Krauss Medal of the Vienna State Opera Chorus. Franz Schock Gold Medal of the Vienna Philharmonic. European Cultural Initiative Award of the European Cultural Foundation Pro Europe, 2005. Order of the Rising Sun, 3rd Class, Gold Rays with Neck Ribbon, Japan, 2011. Great Cross of Merit of the Federal Republic of Germany, 2011. Honorary Citizenship of Timișoara. Hollaender, Johann, Arndam, Maritaris, 2001. Der Lebensweg der Wiener Staatsopernddirektors. Wien, Bolo Verlag. ISBN 3-205-99384-5.